थंयच्यान वता आमचे सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमारा म्हऱ्यान. मुकेश, what is happening? What are the updates?
Pramod, Goa Congress, President Girish Chorankar has filed a petition before the High Court challenging the order of the Speaker of Goa Legislative Assembly in the matter of 10 MLAs disqualification who have joined BJP or merged into BJP. That is the major question. In the long petition, many things have been said about the order of the Speaker, saying that it promotes the defection law, rather promotes political defection in the country. So it should be set aside and 10 MLAs should be disqualified. The main question which I feel that answered or discussed before the High Court, that is what is the 10th schedule. So according to the petitioner, Girish Chorankar said that 10th schedule only contemplates merger of the original political party and not the legislative party. So this is the
and that to a two-third legislative party.
Yeah, two-thirds. So in this case, there is two-third merger, no doubt about that number. But the question is that it should be by the original party or a legislative party. This is this is going to be a main point for the determination before the High Court.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Mukesh. म्हाका दिसता हें जें पिटिशन आसा तें आज सकाळी विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी आनी प्रदेश काँग्रेस अध्यक्षांची पत्रकार परिशद जाली. थंय हो प्रश्न पत्रकारांनी विचारलो आनी तेन्ना कळ्ळें की 4 दीस पयलीं हें पिटिशन फायल जालां आनी हो जो स्पिकरान क्वॉलिफाय करपी निर्णय दिल्लो ताका चॅलेंज करपी हें पिटिशन हायकोर्टा भितर ताची हियरींग स्टार्ट जातली. दोज विल बी रियली इंट्रस्टिंग. जशें मुकेशान सांगलें की 10th शेड्युलाचो आवाठ कितें, म्हाका दिसता हो जो इश्यू आसा प्रॉबेबली देशभर आसा तो परत एक फावट म्हाका दिसता गोंयच्या ह्या केसींतल्यान ताजो सोक्षमोक्ष लागता काय कितें. कारण हाजे पयलीं जे 10th शेड्युलाचे अमेंडमेंट्स जाल्यात ते गोंया भितरली डिफेक्शन्स आनी गोंया भितरली फोडाफोड आनी आयाराम गयाराम कल्चर पळोवन जाल्लें. परत एक फावट ह्या केसीच्या माध्यमांतल्यान गोंय आनीक 10th शेड्यूल रिफायन करता काय कितें तेंय म्हाका दिसता कळटलें जशी ही हियरिंग्स जातात तशी.